Within 6 weeks, start harvesting and go for the next 6 months harvesting. All vegetables, spinach, kales, collards, we have the malkias, we have the herbs, we have the lettuce. They are all grown in this system.
In this video, I share with you one of the most innovative ways that any urban farmer can use in their limited space to produce more and yet use the limited time and resources available to them.
Generally, this is a hydroponic farming system.
Okay.
And hydro means water, ponic means farming. So farming using water, suspend the crop in a nutritious solutions. It's a soilless farming system. We mix water with the nutrients that the crop requires, then irrigate. Is what we call pumice, all volcanic rocks. And the function are only anchoring the roots, root anchorage only. It has no nutritious value to the crops. So pumice is porous, adding cocoa peat enables to sustain some moisture for a given duration for the crop to absorb. In hydroponic, we basically base on organic farming. We manage what the crop feeds and what human beings are going to feed, as opposed to the conventional farming whereby you use all the kinds of chemical sprays, all the kinds of chemical fertilizers. Here is purely organic fertilizers are being used here. We do formulate those nutrients from the organic matters and also from animal waste, like the rabbit urine is also used in this as a source of nitrogen provision, as a source of calcium provision that crop requires. Source of water might be in borehole water or the rainwater. The best water is the rainwater, but since not all places has rain, so we use borehole water. So that water we mix with nutrients and then we irrigate the systems. The root absorbs what the crop requires. And you can see the crop is raised, the system is raised up. And you see the pipes are here. So once the irrigation takes place, the excess water goes back to the pipe. And it is sloping under a certain gradient, whereby the water is collected back to the tank and recycled. So the system saves you nutrients, saves you water, saves you labor, and increased production. All vegetables can be grown in these systems. All vegetables, spinach, kales, collards, we have the malkias, we have the herbs, we have the lettuce. They are all grown in this system. Within 6 weeks, start harvesting and go for the next 6 months harvesting. 6 weeks for lettuce, you harvest, and this one goes for 6 months. Spinach and collards, they go for 6 months while you continue harvesting. Number one, space is maximized. As you can see, in a span of 1 meter, where I would have grown just this face, I have doubled the production. Also, you can see this face and that face. If I was to grow on the ground, maybe only 1, 2, 3, 4 pipes could fit that 1 meter space. Instead, I've done 5 this side and 5 the other side, hence forming an A structure kind of setup at the other end. The other benefit is you control your crops, no pest penetrations, and no diseases that can affect here. The other advantage is labor-free, no weeding. Once you transplant just irrigation, you can use timers. It's not a must to be here. You can install a timer here, whereby it irrigates at a given interval. So your time is also saved. You can do something else as you continue with your farming. Number one, I have pest net at the walls of the greenhouse to prevent more pests from coming here. Number two, I have biological measures of trapping those pests. I have this yellow sticky trap. It's called a sticky trap. This one attracts house flies, the white flies, and any other that are attracted to a yellow coloring structure or vases, maybe for tomatoes and anything else that is yellow. And we have the aphids, which basically affects green vegetables. You therefore use the blue sticky trap.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next one.